Hey, this is Cody here with JTech. Today we're going to be going over a planetary gear set. I have one right here out of a 4L60E Chevy transmission of a pickup truck. The reason I'm using this one right here is because if you can see here all the teeth are chewed up on it, so it's time for replacement, which is why we have it out of the vehicle right now. Starting off with the components, you have right here is your sun gear. This here is the carrier, which holds the planet gears with these small gears aside, and the carriers will hold all of it together. Sun gear slips into the center of the carrier planet gears. Then you have your ring gear, and at all times, the 2 out of the 3 gears here will be spinning at all times, and the gear ratio, however fast the gears are spinning determines on how much speed the vehicle is requiring out of the transmission at the time, based on RPMs and all the other good fancy stuff. Let's see, let me turn it around like this for you. If I'm holding the ring gear and I spin the sun gear, you will see that if you can see inside there, the gear itself, the planet gears themselves, are actually spinning the opposite way that the sun gear is. If you look right here in the center where my finger is, you can see it spinning. As I'm spinning this to the left, that wheel is actually going to the right, but the whole carrier is following it around because that's how it's spinning. But so I can hold it real quick and do this. If I leave this right here, if I hold the planet gears and the carrier still and spin nothing but the ring gear, you will see that I'm spinning it to my left and the sun gears is rotating to my right. This right here would be considered reverse for anyone that spins 2 directions. In order to get in reverse, you would have to spin the ring gear. It would not be stationary. One of the other gears will be stationary. Another thing, I'm trying to think, the other way would be to spin the carrier gears with the planet gears in it. If I were to spin that one against the ring gear, if I were to hold this still and then spin the ring gear, it would just stay. It'd be pretty much like neutral because the center gears. Actually, never mind. The center gears are turning with it just very slowly, as I'm turning the bigger gear as opposed to the smaller gear. Planetary gear system is in all objects that move. It's, like I said, it's basically just what controls the vehicle, or what gives the gear ratio and helps pull and everything like that, get ready to go in your vehicle. That would be it for today. Let's go here with JTech. Appreciate you joining me. Thank you.